Wait a minute. My car is getting older, but my insurance keeps getting higher. What's going on here? Let's break it down. Most people think that as your car ages, your auto insurance should go down. And while that can be true, there are other reasons your insurance might be climbing faster than a sports car on the highway. First up, rising claims. More accidents, wild weather, and expensive repairs mean insurance companies have to adjust rates for everyone. Yep, even you. Next, repair costs. Even though your car's getting older, modern technology means fixing even a minor bump can cost a fortune. And that affects insurance rates. And don't forget inflation. Just like groceries and gas, insurance rates feel the squeeze too. More expensive medical bills and car parts mean higher payouts for insurance companies. So, up go the rates. But don't worry, you're not stuck paying more than you should. The right insurance policy can save you big time, and that's where Klinger Insurance Group comes in. Our team shops the best rates, finds discounts, and makes insurance shopping easy and stress-free. So, if you want to keep more money in your pocket while staying covered, so why wait? Call Klinger Insurance Group today at 301-428-4935 for all your insurance shopping needs.